Hello friends, this is my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.
Check out our new awning, the SlimShady. It's an easy way to bring shelter or shade to any situation. It goes on easy, it sets up in just a moment, and it stays looking great with a waterproof cover. Just set the mounting clamps on your bars. No worries if they're round, arrow, or something else. Tighten them down, and you're good to go. Setting up the SlimShady is easy. Unzip the waterproof cover, then unroll the shade. Pull out the side supports and twist them to tighten into position. Use the vertical supports to set up the SlimShady at the height you're looking for. Twist the pole to secure. Guy it out, and relax. When it's time to go, tuck your poles away, roll everything up, zip on the cover, and head on out. The SlimShady is great to have along for sunshine or shelter.
GSI Outdoors, Gourmet Kitchen Set 11, Camping, Chef Tool Set Material Nylon, Brand GSI Outdoors Item Weight 1.1 pounds Fine Dining in the Woods, be the king of the outdoor kitchen, with the Gourmet Kitchen Set 11. Weighing only 17.2 ounces, this set features tools to cook and prep for any gourmet adventure. Feast in the forest. Every Gourmet Kitchen Set 11 includes a collapsible whisk, pivot spoon, pivot spatula, spice shaker, 2 condiment containers, cutting board, scrubber, scraper, camp towel, and a ballistic nylon case. Compact camping. Have a stress-free adventure with the easy-to-pivot spatula and spoon. All you have to do is rotate the tools from GSI Outdoor, Roadtrip Rocker Collapsible, Rocking Chair and Outdoor Camping, Chair Product Dimensions 2060 x 24.8 inches wide by 39.8 inches high recommended, uses for product camping, furniture base movement, rock color midnight form factor, foldable portable, folding outdoor, rocking chair delivers smooth, rocking motion on lawns, patios, campsites, and other outdoor surfaces outdoor rocking chair, complete with a comfortable seat and breathable mesh panel. This portable folding chair Jetboil Genesis Basecamp backpacking and camping stove cooking system with camping cookware, brand Jetboil fuel type propane, power source fuel powered item, dimensions LXWXH 10.3 by 10.3 by 7.2 inches item weight 9.1 pounds. Jetboil's Genesis Basecamp portable propane stove features a dual burner design that functions as a standalone camping stove or couples with other JetLink compatible stoves or a Luna satellite burner to create an outdoor cooking range. The system's 5-liter Jetboil flux ring camping pot with strainer lid and 10-inch ceramic coated nonstick fry pan give you everything you need to set a new benchmark for Basecamp cooking in all stoves, neatly in the included travel bag. Ideal for all of your cooking needs in the outdoors. The Beasley 10,000 BTU heating system also boils water in just over 3 minutes, perfect for melting snow or making coffee. An attachable windscreen improves the system's performance in any weather, regulated for consistent performance down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, -6 degrees Celsius. Includes compact folding 2-burner camping stove, 10-inch fry pan, 5-liter flux pot with strainer lid and system, carrying bag with pocket for regulator, compatible with standard 16.4-ounce Raptor Series 100,000 to 126,800 off-grid Voyager truck SUV camping, rooftop tent with ladder sport, camping and hiking occupancy 2-person design vehicle, mounted tent installation type hanging, brand Raptor Series recommended, uses for product camping and hiking, item weight 159 pounds material, polyester color black closure type zipper standard, size tent, sleeps 2, with high density 78 by 48 inch foam double/full. mattress and 750-pound max load. 140-pound roof or truck bed, rack required. Installs on parallel or crossbars. Sets up and closes in seconds. Unique design, eliminates need for additional setup. Heavy-duty telescoping 8-foot aluminum ladder. Aerodynamically engineered to withstand heavy winds and shed rainwater. Heavy-duty cover keeps the tent dry and protected when tent is stowed away. 2 hanging shoe and storage pockets that roll up and store with.
Hello friends, this is my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.